Next up, we have an extra special shit with sugar on. And Callum, I challenge you to one-on-one action.
Sorry.
Not like that. I challenge you to a one-on-one
I've been waiting for
shit
this.
with sugar on. We have a magical chef's hat with random ingredients inside. We will pick 5 ingredients and we will both work from those ingredients. So
I feel like this has been staged against me.
Oh, aye. So if you go first, I'll go second, and then we'll see what we got.
Fair enough. Are we like revealing it straight away?
Yeah, read them out, tell the peoples.
Oh, I hope I can read your writing.
Probably not.
Oh! The noodles. The champ pong.
Champ Pong. Yeah, I've got no idea what that is, so that's going to be interesting.
Yeah.
So we have Champ Pong.
The champ pong. Yeah.
Probably not even pronouncing that.
Oh, 100% not.
We have, pork chop. We have a protein, that's usually the hardest bit.
Excellent.
So we've got some sort of noodles and pork chop.
Ooh. We once again have another protein.
Ooh.
With the Wagyu beef jerky.
Wagyu beef jerky. Alright, okay. Interesting. Alright, so this is my last pick. I'm kind of hoping for a vegetable of some description.
You did put them in there, right?
Probably not. Rice!
Okay.
So we have beef, pork, whatever champong is, and rice. Please pick a vegetable. If not, all our larder stuff is going to be... Our 5 larder ingredients will be all vegetables. What is it?
And our 5th and final ingredient, marshmallows.
So we've got beef jerky, pork chop, champong, I'm curious, rice and marshmallow. How are you feeling?
I'm confident.
Do you feel motivated?
Yeah, I'm actually excited for the champ pong because I'm curious about it.
Well, I have something to give you that extra little bit of spice.
A bit of okay, that should change the game.
Do you know what's in the bag, Callum?
Another bag.
I would like you to acknowledge your reigning, defending, undisputed chef at home champion. I am the champion.
How are you the champion?
I am the champion.
I mean, it's a vacated title. You've not gone up against anybody yet.
No, I've done this several times now. I am the champion.
What is this? Sorry, what is this?
I am the champion.
Have you just given you?
This is our title belt that we will be fighting for.
You hold it upside down.
The most prestigious title belt in all of the world. Bugger your Tyson Furies, your Roman Reignses, your Max Verstappens. The most prestigious, read it, undisputed heavyweight shit with sugar on champion. This is what we're fighting for. The stakes could not be higher.
I'm going home.
So, as your reigning defending undisputed champion, I have the champion's advantage, which means I got second.
How is that champion's advantage?
Because I get more time to think. Potentially Google what champong is.
I got that. You're not that.
Now, to be fair, that would be a disqualification. Yeah. I am an honourable champion. I'm an honourable fighting champion.
An honourable fighting champion? You just gave yourself the title.
How dare you, sir? This is prestigious. This was awarded to me by the good people of recycled bin bags, paper plates, and an old egg box that has been cut up. May the best man win.
Okay, go on in.
Alright, champions time. So, on with that. Put a wok on.
I fancy the bottoms. Thank you, Tom. Going into strips.
So, here's the plan. I'm going to take my pork trim that off. And then my theory is I'm going to make a pan here into the eggs, and then got some lovely breadcrumbs in here which are just flicked everywhere. Let's start this off on the wok. Get a colour going on that.
Eggs. Chuck in. Noodles. And water. Oh, that's hot. That was very hot.
This champon thing just seems to be noodles. I can live with noodles. Into soak.
Butter in there. You know what I'm doing with. You don't know what I'm doing with.
Jerky's already in bits, so I'm not going to worry too much about that at the minute.
Cooking it off through the butter. Lovely colour. 5 minutes. Cool, that sounds gone quick.
Got some shallots and some carrots. I think he's going to try to overcomplicate this to try and beat me. So I'm just going to go really simple. If I'm wrong, I'm in the shit.
Oh, right. Oh.
So, pork's having a nice bit of colour on it. In the oven.
Off into the butter.
Alright, keep this wok on. It's going to get a little bit of flavouring from the pork fat that's going to be coming out of it. Carrots and shallots. I'll chuck in me jerky stuff as well, why not? Oh, beautiful. Can I cheat and just ping that rice? Yeah, fuck it. That's starting to take on a little bit of flavour now, so I'm going to go in with my fourth ingredient, a little bit of menage a trois, or mange tout to the rest of the world. Let that stir fry. Well, too much salt because I reckon that jerky is going to have a fair kick to it. I'm going to add in my soaked noodles, chuck a lid on that, and the pork. You might live to regret this, but here we go. Toast off these marshmallows. And for my last ingredient, I'm just going to go super sweet and get in some honey. I'm going to season the honey with a little bit of the juice from the stir fry. And what I'm hoping is I can try and at least, if I can't out flavour the guy, I'm going to out present him. So I'm going to carve this now. As I say, can't win the day on the flavour, I'm going to out present him. So we're going to take some of our stir fry, just pop you there, our rice, toasted marshmallows. I don't know why I cooked all 5, but there you go.
Still haven't worked this far out. Or it didn't quite work out how I wanted it to.
And then we're going to take our nice crispy pork, set that over the top. Certainly looks like a thing. And then just finish off with a little bit of our sticky honey.
Well, this is my creation. That shit show. God almighty.
And there we are. If I haven't returned my title, there has been a huge miscarriage of justice. How do you feel? Still confident?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Well,
Okay, so do you want to reveal your dish?
Dying.
Well, to me anyway. And
okay.
see how we're doing.
So, the shithousery that went on in the kitchen for like 10 or so minutes.
Oh, come on. Please be shit. Please be shit.
I have made for you the quickest bowl of ramen.
Now I understand the bowl. I get it. So what have you done?
I was looking for pasta bowls, which would have been better.
Yeah, granted.
Okay, so what we've got is we have the champong, if I remember correctly.
Yeah, I just went with noodles. To be
Fair
honest with you.
So at the bottom, yeah. So I've cooked off the noodles into chicken stock.
Interesting. Yeah.
Right, but also using the same water, I've obviously cooked off the eggs because eggs in ramen is
Yeah, I get that.
wonderful. I then sliced the pork into strips.
Mm-hmm.
And then fried them off like that. 1, to cut down cooking time. 2, because it looked pretty.
Yeah, I had some thought process there. Go on.
Because that pork chop was not going to cook in 10 minutes.
Oh, that was a big point. That was a big point.
Which you went, ooh. And then I kind of shit myself when I hit the rice stage. I was like, I've done everything else. Now the rice is like, I thought the marshmallows wasn't really a problem. So I ended up just cooking off the rice. Because I cooked the pork off in some oil first.
Yeah.
But then threw some butter through it.
Uh-huh.
And then I ended up cooking the rice in the same pan.
Smart.
Smoking
Like
out all the
that.
flavour.
Nice washing. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I've seen the pan.
And
then
fair enough. That's something to look forward
then
to.
I got to the marshmallow. My initial plan is I was actually just going to grate it over the top. But that doesn't work.
Fair enough.
It doesn't work.
That would have
Tried
been
it.
smart.
It doesn't work. I tried it. It won't go. It smushes up too much, as you can. It kind of almost melts against it. It doesn't work. I've tried it.
It does look like you just put like feta in there though.
Well,
so
see, that was
kind of a surprise.
That was my kind of thing. I was just went, actually, well, now what I'm going to do is I took it, diced it, and I was like, kind of going down that kind of like either feta or tofu kind of to trick you into it. And then obviously finished off with some sage on top.
Okay.
Get some brownie points from
There's
this.
some backstory to the city.
Yeah.
Okay, you ready for mine?
Go on then.
Okay.
No, it's
So, okay. The marshmallow has stuck to the tea towel, so that's definitely going in the wash. So what I've done is I've coated the pork in panko. I've battered the shit out of it first to get it nice and thin. Coated in panko, fried it in a wok, put that through the oven with the marshmallow. So the marshmallow's nice and toasty. Just cooked off the rice. I didn't do anything magic to that. I'll be perfectly honest, I did fuck all to that. And then in here we've got the fucking noodle thing, and I just stir fried that with some shallots, menage a trois, and some carrots.
Did you open up your Jamie Oliver cookbook for that moment?
Obviously. So I'm googling. And then I've just finished that off with some reduced honey. So I'm hoping that it's just going to be so sweet it's nice. Choose your weapon.
Do it. I feel like there's the same. Or is this one more blunt than the other?
And then we swap. True, yeah.
I'm curious what champong is.
I think it's just a noodle. I think it's probably a brand. We haven't realised. Right, so honestly, what would you give that? Do you think it works? Say out of 5.
Weirdly works.
It weirdly works.
It weirdly worked. It might be the honey. That's kind of like it takes away the marshmallow. But pork and marshmallow weirdly works.
It shouldn't. It really shouldn't. I found the same thing in there.
It weirdly works.
I'm not sure about the marshmallow and the noodles, but with the pork.
Weirdly, I think it's just because of the sweetness of it. Rice, what could have been done?
Yeah, I will take that. Like I'll be perfectly honest. That just had to get hot. That was my only objective with that.
It just feels like that's one thing, and then that's just you just had to put it on.
Oh yeah, they're completely divorced. You'll be having 2 Christmases with that dish.
I'm gonna give it a 4.
4 out of 5.
It's tough. because I'm kind of on that like borderline bit of like in between like 3.75 and 4.
Oh, we're not doing 0.75s for that shit.
But
if it's over 3, it's a 4. This one, pork's lovely. The yolk, even after sitting for a few minutes, it's still nice and soft.
oh, that was a bitch, that egg.
Similar sort of story here, to be honest. Like, although the rice tastes nice and it's got that flavour from the stock and the noodles, sorry. Like the two just don't go together. It's like one or the other. But that's just luck of the draw, isn't it? Really. If we'd have had rice noodles, maybe we'd have had a chance.
I'm hoping the rice still had a crunch to it, kind of thing, so it wasn't like perfectly cooked. That was kind of the aim.
A little bit, not massively.
Because I obviously fried them off.
Not massively.
It's kind of.
I'll take it. Okay, so. Oh. Can't forget.
I feel like there should have been someone else here.
Because I am the champion.
To like judge this.
Well, this is where these lovely people will come in now.
Ah.
So we're going to be pooling comments on YouTube, comments on Facebook, all the things need to comment and vote on who is the winner and who shall be the reigning, defending, undisputed heavyweight champion of Shit with Sugar on. So,
what was your rating?
Oh, I do apologise. I'm going to give that a 3. And the only thing is, and I understand why you did it, the only thing is a little bit of presentation. By the time we got to it, it's just in a bowl, and that's not your fault. That's because there wasn't a better bowl. You could have changed the plate. But anyway.
That'd be ramen on a plate.
Gosh, God. Fucking yeah. It's a ramen. You will decide. It's not how you shake hands.
It is now.